Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. WeMod Epic Games. On today's video, I'm going to teach you epic games on WeMod. So not all the games in WeMod are equal. Just have epic games. So I'm gonna give you a little tip. So this tip I've given to my previous video. If you want to watch that, check on the other WeMod videos on the Guide Glimpse page. So right now we are using the WeMods right here. So to see if they have an epic games, just go right here. You will see an icon right here. This is Steam, and the E is Epic Games. Whenever you see an E icon, it's Epic Games. There we go. And to this one is GOG. But to see if there's an Epic game, go right here. Or there's an E, there's an Epic game. So it's allowed on Epic Game. And there we go. So right now, I'm gonna open my GTA 5 because my GTA 5 is on Epic Games. See right here, it is using Epic Games. So the Epic Games file is very different from a Steam platform. So once you open a Steam platform right here, it will change its cheats or slash mod. When you go back to Epic Games, it will change its cheats slash mods. Right here, here are all the here are all the mods that you are allowed to do. In GTA 5, we have God mode, unlimited health, unlimited stamina, unlimited breath, unlimited special ability, never dead police, superstar, and etc. Weapons and vehicles and so forth. But a little bit of note for you guys, this mode will not be able to play if, for example, GTA 5, it will not be able to play in GTA 5 online. So that's a tip for you guys. If you're trying to use the Grand Theft Auto V mod to play it on GTA 5 online, unfortunately, it will not work. And if it does work, it will ban your account. And so yeah, there you go, guys. Because VMod is a legal website, but it's only allowing you to cheat on game that you play offline, like Red Dead Redemption 2 story mode, Middle Earth Shadow of War, The Witcher 3, and all of those offline things. But when you're playing online with other people, it will not allow you to use their mod. That's the downside of it. So yeah, that's just a small tip for you guys. And to change, for example, you're using this, change it or see if there's an epic games right here. So let's try right here, one arm robber. Click on the bottom right here. If you see it's an epic, you are allowed to choose that. But right now, there's no epic list on Steam. So how about let's choose what else? Red Dead Redemption. You see, let's click on get on epic. So right now, here Red Dead Redemption shoot. Let's click on this right here and click on get on epic. You can see right now it has an epic one. So here is the loadouts for the epic, for the slash mods, and there you go. So you check if there's an epic games on the WeMod. So yeah, if you guys like the video, if you guys enjoyed, and a little bit of a tip for you guys. Another tip for you guys, you can also click on the star on the top left corner to make it as your favorite, and it will have its personal place here as favorite. So you won't be looking for some other words and just going everywhere. Just you need to type the game right here. You don't need to do that. Just add it to your favorite. Boom. You can see it right away. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And then thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.